Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In Microscope. How are you guys doing this wonderful, fantastic, beautiful Monday morning? No, it's not Monday morning. It's fucking almost 2 p.m. I'm not a morning person. You guys know that. But anyways, you guys, today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm actually so fucking excited to film this. So I've been seeing a trend going around recently, and it's basically looking at your makeup underneath a microscope or your skin under a microscope, just seeing how exactly it looks. And I'm a little nervous. I know that this skin, it's not perfect. It's just not. It is what it is. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and do half my face with makeup, half my face without, pull up fucking Nikki tutorials, the power of makeup. That's what we're gonna pull today. Half without makeup, half with makeup, just to see what it looks like. I actually got this idea from Tina Young, and she's another fellow YouTuber here on YouTube. She's a beauty channel, I would definitely say. She got this little microscope, and I was so fascinated because I really wanted to see what my face would look like underneath the microscope. That's why I was even intrigued and even bought the microscope. I'll leave a link up to the microscope down below if you guys want to try it out too. It's super fun. It literally was like 20 bucks on Amazon. It was like super cheap. But anyway, this is because of you, Tina. Fucking love you. Thank you for even doing this idea because I thought it was so fucking funny. I think she was the one that first started this. Tina, you little trendsetter, you. But anyway, that's what today's video is going to be. I'm gonna be doing half my face with makeup, half my face without, and we're gonna look at it both under microscope and see what exactly is in this face. What's in this face other than beauty and grace and Miss United States? But as always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please go and click subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what is up? I'm MannyMua, and welcome to my channel. No, MannyMua. MannyMua works too because I'm like sweet. Anyway, let's go and get this bitch started. So I'm going to do my right side because it has like no breakouts. I have like this scab going on right here. Like there was like a pimple that was like fucked. It was so fucked. I'm going to do this side with makeup, this side without makeup. And we're going to see exactly what the tea is. Nikki Tutorials, I'm coming for your brand, my love. So we're just taking the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I want to use a primer. I'm taking this on the Morphe contour sponge. Best sponge. You can literally see that this side looks less porous and more like smooth than this side does already. That's just with primer. I just want you guys to see what it's like already. And it lights up. Hello. Okay, I just want to show you guys what the skin looks like. This is the side without any. This is my cheek. Okay, we're just gonna do cheek. Ew. What is that? What is that? Is that a sebaceous gland? What are you? Dude, that looks fucking sick in the worst way possible. Wait, oh my god, that was a prime side. Oh my god, it's probably primer because that's why it was white. Oh my god, I thought that was a not prime side. Idiot. Okay, this side looks way darker and much more intense, and you can see the oils on my skin. Oh my god. Ew, look at those little hairs. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? You guys, are those my pores? Those are my fucking pores. What is that? Oh, it's my freckle. That's my freckle. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is sick. This is literally a horror movie. If you have tryptophobia, I'm so sorry. You guys. That's my freckle. It literally looks like a cave. It looks like an asshole. What's in there? It's a pore and a freckle at the same time. I see glitter on my face. Why? Okay, this is so exciting. Okay, one video down. Putting it away. Hold on, we're gonna put foundation on and stuff like that. I've never done a power of makeup video, by the way. Nikki started this trend back in the day. You know, I feel like this is what helped Nikki like, ooh, take the fuck off. She did this video called Power of Makeup, and she basically showed what it's like half the face with makeup, half the face without makeup. It literally like was skyrocket. It was amazing. You know, Nikki was already slaying the scene before, but that really stepped it up in so many ways. Like that really stepped her pussy up. Her pussy was stepped up. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the half foundation. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Tarte Shape Tape. I'm literally going as fast as I can. You guys don't understand. Gorgeous. Also gorgeous in a different way. Okay, you guys, I'm actually just gonna do my makeup off of camera because I feel like this part's really boring. It's fucking boring. So basically what we want to really do is go on in with the fucking microscope. That's what we want. I'm just gonna glam half my face real quick off camera, and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, bitches, now the fun really begins. Side note, random side note. Who the fuck else is so excited for American Horror Story this season coming up? The mixture between first season and the witches season? Absolutely. Okay, anyway, so guys, I just finished up this makeup look real quick. It's something I just tossed on super quick. Love this. I'm actually wearing the Laura Lee Los Angeles Boss Babe palette on my eyes. It's fucking stunning. It's gorgeous. Such a quick, easy, on-the-go palette. Did a natural, quick, fluffy brow, a neutral lip. I'm wearing the, I'm doing like a full face of collabs, I swear. New Chica on the lip. So you guys don't understand how in I go on the lip. Look how high the curvature is. Yeah, so she does that. Ooh. A lot of people are like, oh my god, you got lip filler. And I'm like, no, I just overdraw like a motherfucker. It looks hella good. Well, now we're gonna really go in. Okay, now I'm so excited because the makeup's on. It's done. We're on and poppin'. It's fucking over. We're now officially going. Oh my god, I'm so nervous now. Okay, now let's just go on the skin one more time. Let's just see. I shaved my face this morning. What does it look like? Are you guys seeing this? This is a sick fucking joke. Are you seeing these holes? Let's just go to the scab now. Gabelina. on this time. Oh, I found it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what the scab is healing looks like. That is so... It looks like an open cesspool wound. And what's that little black thing next to it? Like, is that like little hairs? Okay, this is the beard. This is the beard now. We are in the jungle. Ew, why does it literally look like there's shit in my fucking beard? That looks so nasty. I have red beard hair. I have blonde beard hair, black beard hair, white beard hair. Oh, look at that one right there. That one's splitting in two. Love when I'm getting split ends on my beard. We love a healthy bitch. This is sick and twisted. Look, there's like little broken dead hairs on the fucking skin itself. It looks like licorice, black licorice and brown licorice. My lips look gorgeous. Okay, so it just looks really gorgeous and pink and supple. Look how moisturized my lips look. Fuck. Oh god, I know it's like a horror movie. I shouldn't do my eye. What was I thinking? We can see veins under. Oh my god, we're seeing veins. Hold on. I can see it. Are those little hairs? It's a forest. So this is the one with the foundation. Skin without foundation, you can see so much discoloration. It's a fucking mess. Look at all the pores. It's a cesspool. With everything's fucking covered and looks like glitter. Everything literally looks like glitter on my skin. It looks cracked and caked. Look at the pores. Where are they? They're filled. Oh my god, I cannot find a pore. Let's look at the pore on the other side of my nose. So this is what the pores on the nose look like. I knew they were huge, but really this just is eye-opening. It's eye-opening and it's dark. Okay, there are the pores right there. Oh my god, oh my god, okay. I see the pores right there, but they're filled. Oh my, what's that hair? Where is it? Hey, do you guys see this? Are you guys seeing the pore? The pores are there. They're so fucking covered and full coverage. Let's look at highlight. Oh, we're just a Christmas tree. Are you kidding? Are you seeing this? Okay, now we're looking at our brow. It looks like the same as the other one. It just looks like there's darker. Okay, I'm still shook at the fact that my skin looks like confetti. My skin doesn't look like this. See? I'm shook. My skin looks so cracked. Oh my god. Like... What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that ball? That's what a blackhead looks like? Oh, that's foundation on the hair follicle. That's foundation right there. You guys see that? It's foundation. It's like dirty. Oh, it's filthy. You guys, this is literally sick. Can we do the eyeshadow? Okay, it just looks like a brown textured skin. Oh god. Oh my god. What is that? Okay, that looks like a spider. That's arachnic for sure. Glitter is beautiful. Look at that gold shadow. Okay, now we're getting demonic. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Look at the fucking lashes with mascara. This bitch is cheap as fuck, low-key. Do I have to like keep it moving constantly or what the fuck? Nothing like a microscope to show you how shaky your hands are. Thanks for the realization. Love it. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and see what the side with the mustache looks like. Do you remember how the mustache looks on this side? It was vile. Do you remember that shit? Dude, this is like crazy. Because y'all remember how that shit looked. It was dark. Look at it now. I mean, I can still see them, but they're not nearly as bad. It's so nasty. That's me. Lip looks a lot drier. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that hair on my lip? It is. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? The hair on the lashes are so much more fine than mine. You guys, I'm like honestly done with this video, but I'm like truly still so gagged. Ew, what is that wetness? I just don't appreciate that. You guys, all I'm really shook about truly right now. Oh, a freckle. Where? It's like hella discoloration. Oh my goodness. You can literally see the discoloration on it. My mole literally looks like a decorated Christmas tree. A decorated piece of shit is what my mole looks like right there. Throw some glitter on some shit. Yeah, right there. I think we've had enough. Okay, you guys, and that was it for today's video. Honestly, I'm shocked. I mean, I'm not like so shocked because I did watch Tina's video, so I'm like, oh my god, I'm excited. I was excited to see what was on my skin. This side is so intensely oily. I can see oils all over my face. Scabs look sick. Moles look sick. Is that a red spot? We're doing one more. You give me that red spot right now. Baby, come on. Work for dad. Oh my god, it's literally giving out on me. Fuck, it's giving out on me. I want to just see the red pimple. Give me one more. Give me one good one. It's working! Yes! Okay, we're gonna do the red spot. Oh. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? You guys! It looks like mochi, but like sick. Okay, I have a hemangioma. Let me try to look at a hemangioma. Hold on, give me 1 second. Hemangioma, where are you? Look at that sicko. That's a hemangioma, and I don't know what the fuck that means, but I know Laura told me what it was. A baby hemangioma? A baby! It's a baby next to a fucking freckle. And that's it, you guys. That's it for today's video. Honestly, I had so much fun doing this. I'm actually really shook at the disgust on my face, like how oily I was, or like my lashes looking so weird. Like, it really is quite fascinating seeing everything. Like, it's like a whole nother world underneath the microscope, and I wish we can go even smaller. Like, I literally felt like Ant-Man. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so much fun to make. It's so funny seeing half my face with makeup and half face without. It's like, what the fuck? I've never done this before. Shout out to you, Nikki. Shout out to you, Tina, for being both amazing creators who inspire people, millions of people daily. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of the night wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you so much. Okay, honestly, I thought I was getting it on the actual lip. Like that. Looks like ketchup. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Hey. So we're gonna go ahead. I just want you guys to, I wanna know, can you show me? Like, very that, you know? Troubleshooting? I can't troubleshoot. Peace and blessings to you all. Earthlings. I'm not set yet. I smell fire. Is it just me? 'Cause I'm so hot. I hate myself too. This highlight though? Bitch. Bitch. I put some highlight on my brow bone because I just wanted it.